to Harley-Davidson to check out it, unique, specialty, and classics. If you watch our website, you know from time to time we do get in Harleys on trade or possibly a consignment from a good customer of ours. This particular one, 1999 Harley-Davidson Heritage Springer. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, just a little over 22,000 is all in this one. Laser red paint with the silver paint scheme on it. And a lot of chrome. Of course, the Springer front end. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. The 80 cubic inch Evo engine. I believe 99 last year, the Evo engine. For our Harley experts out there. 5-speed transmission. Take a peek at the exact miles here. 22,896. I believe a few aftermarket bags. That one, the one on the tank, and then a smaller one behind the backrest here. And it does have that one also that will go along with it. Of course, the side saddle bags. Something really cool on this. Stock pipes with the tips that were welded onto that stock pipe and then chromed. I mean, professionally done. That fishtail looking tip. You can see paint condition very nice, chrome condition very nice. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run too. Some of the best things about this bike is the way it sounds. I absolutely love the sound of this bike. All right, so let's fire it up. We're in neutral. Once again, take your time looking at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. I believe this is an ad back here also. Mud flap, if you will. (507-386-1726) number to call. Like I said, beautiful sounding bike. Good looking bike too, especially that Springer front end. 1999 Harley-Davidson Heritage Springer. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. 507-386-1726. Call us.